Kddi Cable Infinity is an ultra-modern cable-laying vessel built by Colombo Dockyard for Kokusai Cable Ship Co Limited, KCS of Japan. This is the biggest ever vessel to be built by Colombo Dockyard in its illustrious journey of shipbuilding excellence, and the first ever ship built in its class from Sri Lanka to Japan. This vessel is 113.1 meters in length, 8.8 meters in depth, 21.5 meters in breadth, with a maximum load laying draft of 7.1 meters. The vessel has a deadweight carrying capacity of 5,757 dWt and a speed of 14.5 knots, with accommodation facilities for 80 persons. This cable-laying vessel is a high-technology vessel intended for subsea operations of cable installation and repair works of optical as well as power cables, adding to the versatility of the vessel. For handling of power cables, the forward tank has been fitted with a carousel with a payload capacity of 2,000 tons and a loading arm. The vessel is arranged with two main cable tanks, two spare cable tanks and two rope tanks. The vessel has a well laid out cable laying deck with drum cable engines, draw-off hold-back engines, cable engine control rooms, jointing rooms, workshops, overhead traveling cranes, cable diverters and stern sheaves. The two drum cable engines are electric driven, 4 meter in diameter, self-fleeting and has a haul-in capacity of 40 tons. Each of the draw-off holdback DOHB is electric driven, 4-wheel paired, linear cable engines with synchronized drive systems. An A-frame of 50-ton capacity for plow deployment and recovery over the stern. A-frames for handling of buoys and ROV are provided. The vessel is especially designed by VARD Design Norway and is equipped with a focus on maintaining good sea-keeping ability and excellent station-keeping performance. The vessel is diesel-electric driven and has optimized power, which is another key feature. Power is provided by 4 generator sets, each developing 2,300 kilowatts. 3 generators out of the 4 available are sufficient to cope with the highest propulsion power demands, ensuring high reliability. Propulsion is by 2 azimuth propellers in the aft and 2 tunnel thrusters and 1 retractable azimuth thruster in the forward. All 5 thrusters on board are controllable pitch propelled with variable RPM as well. The vessel is built to Class NK Classification Society standards and meets the regulatory requirements of the Japanese government, JG requirements, and is built for worldwide operations. Scrubbers SCR are installed to reduce harmful emissions from the main engines, complying with IMO Global Sulfur Cap 2020 requirements. The vessel has flexible operational capabilities and provides a comfortable platform for the operational personnel, and the interior design of the vessel is aesthetically appealing. The vessel's material, equipment, construction, quality and performance conforms to the highest internationally accepted marine industrial norms and standards. Special attention has been paid to maintain noise and vibration levels in accommodation and working spaces in accordance with the IMO requirements, providing greater comfort and better working environment for the crew. The main emphasis of this vessel has been to provide ample working space for all crew while increasing the cargo capacity. The vessel is also arranged and equipped with a hospital, fitted with treatment bench, medical lockers with shelves and a dispensary. The mess is arranged as a self-serving area for 50 persons with dining tables and chairs. The galley has been outfitted with equipment sourced from world-renowned galley equipment suppliers, and the galley surfaces are laid out in stainless steel. Waste will be treated by an onboard garbage disposal plant and stored for disposal at shore. In addition to the cables, the vessel has been designed to carry 1,636 cubic meters of fuel oil, of which 308 cubic meters is low sulfur fuel oil, 178 cubic meters of potable water, 651 cubic meters of fresh water, 2,814 cubic meters of water ballast. The 360-degree panoramic view wheelhouse is outfitted with the latest navigational and communicational equipment. The external communication equipment is according to GMDSS Sea Area A3. The bridge is classed to BRS-1 notation, being equipped with accident prevention systems. The vessel has been built with anti-piracy solutions. Therefore, wheelhouse and other key areas are protected with bulletproof glass and steel doors with key card access control. The vessel has been equipped with life-saving and personal protective appliances to comply with the latest rule requirements. Safety equipment includes MOB boat with launching appliances, lifeboats, inflatable life rafts, life buoys and life jackets. This modern-day, highly sophisticated cable-laying vessel is a testament to the pride and dedication exhibited by Colombo Dockyard. Colombo Dockyard is proud to be building this new class of vessels for its deployment around the world and demonstrates Colombo Dockyard's proven capability to construct and deliver large, complex vessels to the world.